Billionaire Mark Cuban blames SEC leadership for FTX debacle in discussion with Harris's crypto advisor. Altcoins. Cryptocurrency. Last updated. October 6, 2024 at 00:20 GMT+3. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. About author. Arslan Butt is an experienced webinar speaker, market analyst, and content writer specializing in crypto, forex, and commodities. He provides expert insights, trading strategies, and in-depth analysis. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. October 6, 2024 at 00:20 GMT+3. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Source: Getty Images. Billionaire investor Mark Cuban recently stated that the collapse of FTX could have been avoided if the U.S. had followed Japan's regulatory framework for cryptocurrency. Speaking during an interview with Rug Radio, Cuban emphasized that U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Chair Gary Gensler's enforcement-heavy approach has failed to provide clear guidelines for crypto businesses. He suggested that Japan's regulations, which require crypto firms to collateralize digital assets held on behalf of customers, would have prevented FTX and other failures like Three Arrows Capital. Japan's Financial Services Agency, FSA regulations are part of the Payment Services Act and Financial Instruments and Exchange Act, which have been in effect since 2017. The framework mandates that exchanges separate customer assets from their own and maintain sufficient reserves to protect investors in the event of insolvency or operational failures. Cuban argued that a similar framework in the U.S. would have forced companies like FTX to safeguard user funds, potentially avoiding a financial catastrophe. What I said was, look at FTX US and FTX Japan. I said, if Gary Gensler would have done just what they did in Japan, FTX, Three Arrows Capital, none of them would have gone out of business, Cuban stated. The SEC has not yet responded to Cuban's remarks. Political implications of Mark Cuban's criticism. Cuban's comments come at a time of heightened political tension surrounding cryptocurrency regulations. The discussion is heating up as the U.S. gears up for the upcoming elections. While former President Donald Trump has positioned himself as a pro-crypto candidate, promising to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the planet, Vice President Kamala Harris has been less forthcoming about her stance on the issue. Cuban's interaction with Harris's team suggests there may be some willingness to re-examine current regulations and prevent similar debacles in the future. Cuban also revealed that Harris's advisors have shown interest in shoring up regulations. In July, he noted receiving multiple questions from her camp regarding crypto, which he saw as a positive indication of future policy changes. Lessons from FTX and the road ahead. In response to FTX's collapse, Cuban recommends that the U.S. learn from Japan's regulatory successes. He believes that implementing stricter rules requiring crypto firms to segregate and secure user funds could protect investors and stabilize the industry. As the U.S. moves forward, the conversation around stronger regulations may influence the broader global crypto landscape. Key insights. Mark Cuban argues that U.S. adoption of Japan's crypto regulations could have prevented FTX's collapse. Political tensions on crypto policies intensify ahead of the U.S. elections, with differing views from Trump and Harris. Cuban sees potential in stronger regulations to protect investors and stabilize the U.S. crypto market. Follow us on Google News.